This background you're actually looking at is fake. I'll be showing you how to achieve this in this video. Are you tired of using just a single background in all of your videos? Or the stress of tidying up your studio sometimes does not make you create videos as much as you can? In this video, I'll be showing you how to use an artificial background in your videos. You need only 3 tools to get that done. 1, you need your artificial intelligence image creator known as Bing. We have a whole lot of them on the internet. You need your Canva, that's a graphic design tool, and you need your Capcut, which is your video editing tool. This video is not only for fashion designers, but for all content creators. Are you into teaching, comedy, or you need beautiful backgrounds to advertise your products, beautiful backgrounds that will make your viewers to stick to your channel? This video is for you. Hi, I'm Yinky, a fashion designer and tutor. You're welcome to my channel. So if this video is what you're looking for, let's get started. Firstly, I'll be talking about the artificial intelligence image creator known as Bing. Bing is created by Microsoft. All you need to do is to create a new tab and type in bing.com/create to get started. So I will just go ahead to my web browser. I'll be using Chrome. You can use any web browser, and I'll be typing in bing.com/create here. So if you have an account with Microsoft, it makes it a lot more easier. But if you don't have an account, you may need to sign up at this point. So this is the interface of my Bing, and we have images here already. But since I don't need those options given to me, I will need to create my own. So I'm going to prompt my AI. So I'll be writing here in the blank space, decorative wall background with fabric shelves and beautiful flowers. So after writing that, I'll click on create. So the blue line is where I'm going to click on, and I'll wait for my AI to respond. So I'll be giving 4 images at a time, so I can download the 4 images, or I can still download one out of it. So I'm going to choose one. So this is the one I chose, and the 3 dots on my right hand side is what I will use to download. So I'm clicking on that and download, or you long press the image and it will give you options to download the image. So after this, the next tool we are going to discuss is the Canva. What I'm using my Canva to do is just to reframe the size of my downloaded picture from Bing. Yes, this is Canva icon. You can get it from your app store. And I'm going to click on the Canva icon, and I'll wait for it to display its interface. And here is the interface of Canva. So down below you will see a plus sign. You're going to click on the plus sign, and when I click on it, this is what I have. In the search box, I'm going to type in what I want to do, the type of frame I want to create. I want to create a YouTube thumbnail frame. So I'll wait for it to load. And this white size, this white frame is the frame that I needed to create. That's created it for me. Then I'll click on the plus sign below also, and from there it takes me to my gallery. And down below you can see I'm clicking on gallery. And when I get to my gallery, I'm going to select the picture that I downloaded from Bing. I have selected it by its marking 1, add to page. Then I'll click on the add to page, and lo and behold, it's in my Canva already. It's inside the frame. Then I'm going to drag it, or go to the options below and click more. More is 3 dots. After clicking more, I'm going to click on, still scroll on the options below, and I'll click on set image as, so that the image will be set in as the size of the frame. So it has been set already, and this is what I have. Even at this point, I can go ahead and download the image already. It is the size of the YouTube video I want to create, because I'm creating a YouTube video. That's why I go for this size. So options below are where you can design your frame. You can design your pictures here. So these are the filters that are there you can choose any type of filter you want to choose. So you can see as I'm clicking on those filters, it's changing the color of the picture. So you can choose any filter that you want to. So I'm going to just pick one out of all the filters that I've picked, the one I want to use. Then you still go to the plus sign. It is the plus sign that you'll be using to design your picture, anything you want to do at all. If I want to add an effect, it is still the plus sign. I'm still going to click, and it is down, it is below that you will see the plus sign. So I'm trying to use transparency. It is another effect that I'll be using. So I don't want it to be too clear. I want the picture, the video I will be putting in should be more clearer than the background. So that's what I'm trying to do, reducing the opacity. So here I still go to the plus sign to select elements. You can choose any icon you want to choose. You can also choose maybe your company's icon or your brand icon. So whatever icon you want to choose. And here you can still select text to type in anything you want to type in. So here I'm trying to choose an icon. I wrote Nigerian flag. So I have prompted the Canva and it's giving me the flag that I needed. So you can reduce the size of the flag, and here you can still type in I'm using text here. You can click on the plus sign and it takes you to the text icon. Click on the text icon and type in whatever you want to type inside. Just this is an addition. If you don't want to design your image, you can go ahead without doing all this. So I'm typing life is beautiful. I can give this life is beautiful any color I want to give it. I can give it green, yellow, red color. I can change the color to anything I want to. And here also down below you can still see options to change the font to any font that you like. So the essence of this, I have told you that Canva is just to design. It's all about designing. So there are lots of things that you can use Canva to do. So my picture is ready, and I'm going to download here. The arrow pointing down on the right hand side up there is the arrow to download, and it goes straight to the gallery. The number 3 tool that I need to get this done is the Capcut. Capcut will be used to edit my video, and let's dive into that. Here is Capcut where I edit my video. Click on new project. So after you have clicked on your new project, it takes you to your gallery. Click on the picture you framed from Canva. Click on the picture and it takes you back to the video editing app. This is the picture. There are options under. Click on overlay. Click on overlay. After clicking on overlay, it takes me to add overlay. I'll click on add overlay and it takes me back to my gallery. Then this time around, I'll be importing the video I want to edit. So this is the video I'll be editing. I've clicked on the video. So after clicking on the video, I'll wait for it to compress. When it gets to 100%, it takes me back to my Capcut editing app. Then I'll click on my picture. Then I'm going to drag the picture that is used for the background. I'll drag it to the end of the video. Then when I'm done with that, and I've adjusted it to the end of the video, I'll go back to the options down here. Then I'll click on cut out. Then from there I get to remove background. Then I'll click on remove background so that the background of my video will be removed. So I'll just wait and I will see the background being removed. Immediately the background is removed, I can now go ahead and drag my picture to where it will fit it. So I'll continue to drag it to wherever I think it can stay and it will look original and not fake. And this is just how to create an artificial background in your videos. So we have come to the end of the tutorial. If you have learned anything in this tutorial at all, please give it a thumbs up, like, and also share my videos to people that will really need this video. If you are a fashion designer, you are interested in pattern drafting, DIYs, or any informative ideas on fashion designing, this channel is for you. So click on the subscribe button now and also click on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever I upload a new video. And I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye.